named Dave. He's the biggest, and he's known for the strongest minion in the world. His name is Dave, and he's very, very strong. He can lift this dumbbell only with one single hand. Awesome, right?
Awesome.
This is Tim, and he's been working for AVL and sent Mel to work for him a bit because he's a business worker, but he just sent this minion just to help him. And Tim is the minion who needs a break. So he's learning AVL. So this is Dave. He's like this one. There's big one and the small one. And the small one is cuter, but pretty annoying. But he's very cute, and his face is very cute too. He's very aggressive and very helpful minion. And next is Pinker Ron, or you can just say him Phil. He's the one who changes diaper for Baby Groot Jr. And he's very good. This is the gun diaper. When you just put a diaper inside and you launch it out the window or the door. I don't know. And he's holding a banana. And this is the flag. Just an accessories. This is the frog. A frog. I like it. So now this is the male minifigure. And this is also the male minifigure. You see, this is the party male and this is the AVL male. So the special thing about AVL male is he's very good at fixing problems. Look. He's flying away.
Okay.
And the party male is rocking up to make the party bus more aggressive. Now let's introduce another Phil, like the Pinker Ron one. But you can add Pinker Ron or Phil if you like. If you like the Phil, then name this one Phil. If you like Pinker Ron, name this Pinker Ron. This is Phil. He's basically the same name as the people like Phil, like this one. And his hair. This is the special thing about his hair. The grass. It's like the grass. Next. Okay, next. This is Mega Minion Gus, the last one to introduce. And the Minion Gus has a power of ability to fly. He can fly everywhere, but he needs this. A cape is attached to his head. So, and his rest of his body just plain. So I introduced all the minifigures to enter this world of minions. And bye-bye, guys. If you like this video, see this video here or here in the description below. Bye-bye.